welcome or welcome back to my channel. Hopefully you all are doing great and you all are safe. So guys, as you all have read by the title, this video is gonna be with my brother. Like, I just don't know, I'm just happy because he's pampering himself. Like, he never does all this, okay? Like, he's the conjuice guy ever. Like, he never invests money only for eating, only for his protein or any gym wear, something like that, and nothing else. And there's something different. I'm like, what? Like, I'm not able to speak because I'm just happy that he's doing something for himself. And yeah, I'm gonna help him out for the whole day and let's see how it goes. Like, I'm happy. Happy girl. Okay, bye.
Okay, let me show you all the outfit. Like, dude, if you know me, you know that, right? Okay, if you all are thinking how come I'm wearing a red sweatshirt or something, this is me. I can never change. I will wear something or the other on me and then only I will leave the house. If you all know it, you all know it, right? So as you all can see, we were waiting for the signal to get over so that we can start our journey. Like, Sankey Tank is the best thing ever. That is the best thing ever, okay? And to be honest, this video is very short. Like, it's only for 4 minutes, but it has a forever memory for me because this was with my brother. Like, dude, you all don't know how it is. I just love it. Like, only 4 minutes, but it's forever for me. Yeah. So, coming to the point, we were heading towards Bell Road because he wanted to take something called a stand because he did a photo shoot. I guess he'll be uploading very soon. He is not giving me the BTS. Like, yeah, I thought this video could be at least 6 minutes, but it's not. I hate my brother for this. And also, we were heading back towards Rajajinagar because he wanted to pamper himself, you know. That is the best thing ever he could do because of me. I told him to do it, you know, like, guys, it was my brother and I told him and he's doing it. You all must watch it, okay? Okay, this was the second thing what he did. He has told me not to upload the first thing what he was up to, okay? And also, I got my hair trimmed. Not a haircut, but yeah, I got it trimmed, you know? The best thing ever. Your brother is paying your bills and you wanna do it, right? Yes, I did the same thing. Okay, sitting next to him, I too got my hair trimmed and that was something like best feeling, you know. Okay, this is a clip of me struggling to show you all the haircut, but that never happened because, dude, just see me. That's it, I'm done. Okay, now he is in the process of cleanup, if I'm not wrong, and he looks so cute, no, like girly. But yeah, he is irritating, annoying everything in this whole world.
I'm done, but my brother is getting his done. Dude, what is that? Okay, I don't know. But my brother is getting something done. I'm sitting over here. I'm bored, so I'll listen to songs maybe.
Okay, this is the last thing what they did, and if you all want to know which place is that, you all can go and check my birthday video vlog so that you'll get to know. And also, I'm gonna end this video over here. Thank you for watching.